everyone, Thuong this. I'm really happy to see you again. And today I have a ride to Bangor Hill. You know Bangor Hill, Da Nang is a famous tourist spot in Da Nang, and today I went there, and when I back to downtown, it's crazy. You know that it's a heavy rain, and I want to show you Da Nang streets after heavy rain. It's so crazy, and this is my first time to see that. Now you can see my bike. My bike so dirty. A lot of sand here, and some street the water, some street water up to there near my tent. It's so crazy. Before I start my ride, I check weather in weather app, and it says okay, and I believe it, and I start to cycling a half of my ride. It's all perfect, okay, and after that it's a lot of, you can see rain, cloudy came, and I should to run out. I don't know, just negative. Yeah, I should to do that, and I can't. My bike, my motorcycle is dirty. It's more dirty now. I should to clean my bike. And you can see, I wet. Maybe next time I should do cycling in the morning, not afternoon. I'm so tired. I will go back my home and clean my bike is something, and I want to sleep. I'm tired. Bye everyone, thank you for watching and see you next video.